Hello all, welcome to Ryan Electronics YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make a simple push-up counter mobile app using App Inventor. First of all you need is a text box label to count the push-up prompts. Second, we need a push button. We name it as push-up counter. After finishing that, we're going to size it as fill parents. Then we upload a picture for push up. After that, we add a push button for reset counters. Now we rename it. It will be called reset and upload. Now let's start the coding part. First of all, we initialize global counts is equal to 0. Second, when the push button is pressed, then it will count up the counting push-ups. Every count will increase by 1. Now after that, when the reset button is pressed, also the label will get the counts. Now after that we duplicate them and we put the reset button, but here will be equal to 0. The counts will be equal to 0. In order to reset the counting box. After that, our application is finished, and now let's scan the code and upload the code to scan the QR code. In this way, you need to download Mit App Inventor application on your phone in order to scan the QR code. Will we wait till the QR code appeared on the screen. It takes a little bit of time. Now your mission is accomplished. Please, if you like my video,